Today we are starting a brand new series where we buy broken tech in hopes to sell it on eBay for a profit. Here we have a PlayStation 2 which turns on and works fine but does not read any discs, has a missing corner and just general wear and scratches along the surface and a missing foot. There's the laser. Looks fine. You never know. Now with a cotton swab and some alcohol, just clean that little bit right there. Now with the laser cleaned, start putting it back together and see if it does actually work, or replace this whole part. So we left the PlayStation 2 for a bit. I've plugged it in to test this controller. It turns on but the buttons aren't working. And I put a disc in and now it reads the discs. So I'm not sure what I've done. I did clean it. Maybe that was just the case. I'm going to continue using that PlayStation 2 in hopes it stays working. If not, I have ordered another spares and repairs PlayStation 2 off eBay, and I'm going to do some part swapping in part 2. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.